Did you know overpricing your house, even in a seller's market, can cost you thousands of dollars? I can explain, and you won't believe my story coming up. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker at Charles Rutenberg here in Clearwater along the Florida Suncoast. Hit the subscribe button below so you can get to know the market, because when you know the market, getting your best deal can be child's play. And it's kind of fun. Your first step, visit whatismyhomereallyworth.com to get a fast, free, easy home value estimate. But remember, we use 5 additional different valuation tools to help you set the sweet spot price and sell your home for the most money, including a linear plot graph analysis used by appraisers. Now, you may have heard it's a seller's market, but that doesn't mean you can set any price you want for your house. Sometimes it gets a little silly. A price that's too high is going to turn away buyers. I've seen this cost sellers thousands, and in one case, over $200,000. I know because I bought that house for $300,000 under the original asking price. Yes, I did. And even if not in the extreme, overpricing means it's going to take longer for it to sell, and it will probably sell for less. The first 13 days of the market are the most crucial, and every cycle after that can cost you money if you overprice. Sounds like common sense, right? No buyer wants to pay more than they have to, especially not today. Visit whatismyhomereallyworth.com to see your fast, free, and easy home value estimate. That's where we get started. And know this, if buyers think your price is way off, they may write off your house without ever stepping foot in the front door. So here's my advice. Pricing your house at or just below market value is actually going to get a lot more attention, and that may give you multiple offers to drive the price up. I've done that many times. It takes a lot of skill to find that price, that sweet spot that maximizes your profit and still draws in buyers. That sweet spot today may be different than 2 weeks ago and not the same as 2 weeks from now. I know how and why to strike that balance. Call me anytime for help, 855 Mr. Beach. And remember, visit whatismyhomereallyworth.com.